The importance of forensic photography in crime scene investigation ***. Introduction. The importance of forensic photography. Enhancing crime scene investigation. Brief overview of what will be covered in the presentation. What is forensic photography? Definition. Forensic photography is the use of photography in a legal setting, typically within the realm of criminal investigation. Purpose. To document and preserve visual evidence from crime scenes. Role of forensic photography. Establishing a visual record. Capture the scene as it was found before any alterations. Providing context. Documenting the location, position, and relation of evidence within the scene. Aid in analysis. Assist investigators, attorneys, and jurors in understanding the sequence of events and the significance of evidence. Types of forensic photography. Overview of different types of forensic photography, including overview shots, mid-range shots, close-up shots, macro photography for detailed evidence. Each type serves a specific purpose in documenting the scene comprehensively. Importance in crime scene investigation. Preservation of evidence. Photographs serve as a permanent record of the crime scene, ensuring that no details are overlooked or forgotten. Reconstruction of events. Photos aid in reconstructing the sequence of events leading up to and following the crime. Supporting testimony. Visual evidence strengthens the credibility of witness testimony and expert analysis in court. Best practices in forensic photography. Proper documentation. Document the scene before any evidence is disturbed or moved. Lighting and angles. Ensure proper lighting and angles to capture details accurately. Scale. Include reference objects or scales in photographs to provide a sense of size and distance. Chain of custody. Maintain a clear chain of custody for all photographic evidence to ensure admissibility in court. Case studies. Real-life examples demonstrating the significance of forensic photography in solving crimes. Showcase how photographic evidence played a crucial role in investigations and court proceedings. Challenges and limitations. Environmental factors. Challenges posed by weather conditions, lighting, and scene complexity. Subjectivity. Interpretation of photographs may vary among investigators and jurors. Manipulation. Risks associated with the manipulation or alteration of digital images. Conclusion. Recap of the importance of forensic photography in crime scene investigation. Emphasize the role of photographers in providing impartial and accurate documentation. Thank you for your attention.